Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to mute thread stories without unfollowing. So let's consider that I'm following this channel or that one, and I want to mute their posts and stories without unfollow it. So what I want you to do, guys, is to go into these 3 points and tap on it, and right here what you're going to do is to go into mute. Alright, so it's too simple and too easy. Alright, so I will show you how to mute the Instagram stories without unfollowing, and that's because the threads is linked um, with Instagram. So yeah, you need to do both if you have the same contact on threads and Instagram. So we'll mute it on threads. So now let's head over into Instagram, and right here let's consider that this is the contact that I just muted on threads. Alright, so you need to stay here on the home page, and right here on the story section on the top of your screen I want to head over into that contacts that you want to mute, and tap on the holder just like that, and as you can see, two options right here appear to us. Alright, the first one is view profile and the second is mute, and once you will tap on mute you will mute the stories of this contact from now on. Alright, so he will be muted on Instagram and even on threads, and that's, yeah, should be very good if you got annoyed because of this story spamming or something just like that. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.